Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 News at 6.
We begin in the North County, where today a 23-year-old accused in a hit and run made his first appearance in court. Investigators say Alan Reyes was driving a truck when he hit a teenager riding his e-bike. That 16-year-old is hospitalized tonight with critical injuries. Our Tony Shin is on the story. He starts us off live in Vista, where he spoke with the teenage victim's mother today. Tony.
Yeah, you know, Andrew, the victim's mother is so upset about what happened to her son. She actually came to the arraignment this afternoon. She told me that her son is still in really bad shape. In fact, he still cannot breathe on his own. By the way, in court, we also learned some new information, very interesting information about the suspect. You see, he has a criminal history.
He's a very happy kid, a joy to have around.
Maria Martinez is talking about her oldest son, Jonathan, a 16-year-old boy who loves his little brothers and the family dog.
And he's just a really great boy, super respectful.
But this is what Jonathan looks like now. Tubes connected to his body as he recovers from multiple internal injuries, including a severely damaged lung. For Maria, it's gut-wrenching to see him like this, but she has to be strong for him.
I do cry, you know, I still feel worried.
On September 17th, Jonathan Ramos was riding his e-bike home when he was hit by a truck near the intersection of Knoll and West Mission in San Marcos. Sheriff's investigators say the driver didn't stop. Investigators say Jonathan was struck by a 2021 white GMC Sierra, and they located that vehicle about 2 days later after someone gave them a tip. That tip led them to this mobile home park about a mile away from the scene of the crash. This is where detectives say they found a truck that had significant front-end damage. This is Alan Reyes during his arraignment, where he pleaded not guilty. The judge ordered us not to show his face. Prosecutors say the 23-year-old man was the driver, and he got a lawyer before turning himself in.
Witnesses described the defendant's white GMC truck driving at a high rate of speed down West Mission Road through the intersection, trying to beat the yellow light and going approximately 80 miles per hour.
Prosecutors say in 2022, Reyes was convicted on a wet, reckless driving charge, meaning he had alcohol in his system, but it was less than 0.08. Maria says she feels compassion for Reyes, but she also believes anyone who would hit a child and leave that child lying in the roadway must be punished to the fullest extent of the law.
I feel really sad for that man because he didn't only destroy his life, or he's gonna have like serious consequences, but he also did it to my family, to my son.
Now, the suspect's family members also came to the arraignment this afternoon. We tried to talk to them, but they did not want to comment on this case. Meantime, Reyes faces several charges, including, of course, hit and run. His bail has been set at $100,000. Reporting live in Vista, I'm Tony Shin. Andrew, we'll send it back to you.
A really tough situation for that family. We wish them the best. Tony, thank you very much.